beating of your heart, echoes the beating of the drums. There is a life about to start when tomorrow comes.
I dropped trash, but don't worry, I recovered it. It is safe now. I'm so angry. Trash makes me angry. Just wait. Just wait. Just wait for me one more time. Wait. Just wait. I found a brand new gate. Must be serious. I cannot goof around. Far too much responsibility. I must just take my leave of this joke. But wait, I think I've heard a bird. Or is it a pheasant? Maybe it was a black swan. I can't tell. Birds are not my thing. I simply must be more serious. Serious. Thunder, thunder, I've heard thunder, days of thunder. Tom Cruise is knocking at my door. A roll for me, a roll for you. How's your roll? How's your roll? A roll, a roll. It's time to read a roll. This is my roll. To make a sandwich. A sandwich for you, a sandwich for me. Just one for each is what we'll eat. For the hills, I hear thunder. Is anyone scared but me? Is it lightning? Is it lightning? Hey. I'll just stand at the window, waiting for my pills. I wish I had a pill to take. Something just to take away the heartache. Why now? Why now? 'Cause there goes my little brown cow.